repainting today. Things we're doing to prep are Jacob is taking off all the things that go to the wall. Very cool, honey. Thank you. And we moved everything out the way. Are you excited to paint your first house? Have you ever painted a house before?
I painted rooms before.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm.
So you're pretty much like a seasoned person in this.
I've like prepped them, I think.
You think?
I'm trying to remember like whose it was.
His girlfriend's probably.
I think it was like
Were you painting a girl's room?
Uncle Sean's house or something.
Whose girls were you painting?
Sean. My Uncle Sean.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
What's Sean do?
And now he's going around taking out. Yeah. Now he's going around and taking out the nails that I find, and then I've been sanding over them. So I did a pretty like good sanding of just this area right here. So it'd be a good place to start. But for the holes, I'm gonna go over and put some joint compound on it and let that dry, and then sand it. And then after that, I'm gonna wipe down the walls, and then we should be ready to paint.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you here. The way you pull me in, your summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. You wrap your arms around me, my heart begins to stutter, my words are beating. The night that you had left me, I was so obsessed with.
You look good, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thinking when you confess your feelings, you ask me how I feel. I said I feel.
I'm done. That was my last piece. Okay, we're going this morning to get more paint, some breakfast, and what else?
There was something else for sure.
Yeah, there was something else, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, we just have one more room to paint, so really it's not too much work left, which is really nice. We're really happy about that. We've put in some good work. That's about it today, just more painting. Tomorrow we get our house all good, so it'll be a full house. Tomorrow will be really nice because it'll be complete, kind of complete. There's some things that we need to sell and some things that we need to buy still, but we'll at least have a bed to sleep in as of tomorrow. So that is an upgrade already. Very happy. I think my muscles are growing as we look at that muscle. You see that? As we are, do you see that?
I see it.
As we are painting, I think my muscles are growing. So
Lonely without you by my side. Don't need a reason why. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you. Cause I just need you. The way you pull me, the way you pull me. Your summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me.
husband die on camera because he's about to eat a genetically modified organism. Yay! No peeling needed, it said, Bubba. What are these called?
Kiwi berries.
Okay, so they must be good. Babe! Let me try them now.
You wouldn't like them.
Let me try them then. Oh, they got hair. Get out my face.
Sorry, I thought that's how close you wanted it.
Did you eat the hairs too?
Yeah.
These are delicious.
Fall into my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. Summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby. I just need you right here next to me. Yeah.
I lost pretty much all my footage, kind of, but not really, but mostly, but pretty much, because I put all my footage, I usually transfer it over to my hard drive, and now my hard drive's not working. It has been working for the past week. I've tried absolutely everything. I've tried different cables. I've tried everything. It even gives me a chance to back it up on another hard drive. So I got a USB drive for now. It was just $20, a cheap one, so I could just do a little bit. And then when I try to do that, my computer is like bugging out. It won't work. Anyway, whatever. So I lost some footage in the making of this video. So I didn't get to show you like most of what's happening here. So I'm going to show you now. Okay, this is the color of our bedroom. This is how it looks now. We had to do this. We had to do a bunch of coats for this because what was under here was pink. And yeah, we just need to do like a lot of coats to cover up the pink. And yeah, this is how it looks. We did green in here because we just wanted to like green seclusion vibes, foresty vibes, all the vibes in here for sure. We just wanted a dark room. I mean, I think it's something different, and I think with time it will look even better. I would show you my bedroom, but it looks absolutely crazy. But if you have any suggestions for what colors look best with green, let me know. Right now we have a beige bedroom with dark nightstands. I can at least show you the nightstands. So these nightstands we got for like $40 off of Amazon. Nope, not Amazon. What's that thing called? Facebook Marketplace. So that was definitely a good find. Now let me show you the guest bedroom. In the guest bedroom, you saw me do a little bit of the painting, but of course the footage that would show you the rest of it is not there. But we did light blue in here because we wanted ocean vibes in here. And the reason why we did blue because Jacob's dad painted him this picture when he was younger, and it was at the beach, so I thought it would just be perfect to continue that vibe because we had that in the last house, and it was really cute, but now we could really customize it with the blue, so that's why this bedroom is blue. And that's pretty much all the painting that we did that I wasn't really able to show you with actual footage from before, but it's okay because this is nice to show you, and that's pretty much it.